In a world where speed, stealth, and information supremacy define warfare, a new aircraft is rising from the shadows. It's fast, twice as fast as its legendary predecessor. It's stealthy, evading radar with velocity instead of paint. And it's deadly, capable of striking anywhere on Earth within minutes. This is the full story of the SR-72 Darkstar, the world's first hypersonic reconnaissance and strike aircraft and the future of aerial dominance. In the early 1960s, a seismic shift in aerial reconnaissance was set into motion. After the Soviet Union successfully shot down a U-2 spy plane piloted by Gary Powers in 1960, the limitations of America's high-altitude surveillance aircraft were laid bare. This Cold War incident didn't just spark global tensions. It revealed the urgent need for a new kind of reconnaissance aircraft, one that could fly faster, higher, and remain virtually untouchable. That need gave birth to one of the most extraordinary aircraft ever conceived, the SR-71 Blackbird, a legend takes flight. In response, the CIA turned to Lockheed Martin's secretive Skunk Works division in 1957. Under the brilliant leadership of Clarence Kelly Johnson, the team developed the A-12, an experimental spy plane crafted largely from titanium, a rare choice, chosen for its ability to withstand extreme heat at supersonic speeds. That aircraft evolved into the SR-71 Blackbird, which entered service in 1966 and shattered aviation records, top speed, Mach 3.2, over 2,000-pound Mach. Service, ceiling 85,000 feet. Radar signature minimized by black radar-absorbent paint. Defense strategy, outrun, not evade. Over 4,000 missiles were fired, and none ever struck the Blackbird. Pilots of the SR-71 essentially wore spacesuits due to the extreme altitude. And yet, despite its unmatched performance, the Blackbird's staggering operating cost, over $200,000 per flight hour, led to its retirement in 1999. But even after it left service, no aircraft could truly replace it. That is, until now, SR-72. Darkstar, the future of hypersonic reconnaissance. Enter the SR-72. Darkstar, Lockheed Martin's hypersonic successor to the SR-71, a machine that could once again redefine the limits of speed, altitude, and intelligence gathering. Unlike the SR-71, the SR-72 is designed to cruise at Mach 6, twice the speed of its predecessor. That's fast enough to cross the continental United States in under 30 minutes. At the heart of this revolution is its dual-mode ramjet engine, developed in collaboration with Aerojet Rocketdyne. This advanced propulsion system allows the aircraft to seamlessly switch from jet to hypersonic speeds, operating across an unprecedented flight envelope. Key features of the SR-72 include Mach 6+ capability, making it invulnerable to current missile systems. Advanced AI-driven sensor suites, enabling real-time data collection and rapid battlefield decision-making. Stealth through speed, not just materials, evading threats by simply outrunning them. Strike capabilities, allowing it to deliver hypersonic weapons globally in minutes. Unlike traditional stealth aircraft that prioritize invisibility, the SR-72's greatest defense is velocity. Nothing can catch it. Nothing can stop it. Pushing the boundaries, challenges, and breakthroughs. Despite the excitement, developing a hypersonic platform like the SR-72 comes with massive engineering challenges. Among the most difficult, thermal stress at Mach 6 speeds, which can cause extreme heating of the aircraft's surface. Material science breakthroughs are needed to withstand such heat without compromising structure. Flight control at hypersonic velocity, where even minor adjustments can be catastrophic. Still, there's reason to believe we're closer than ever to seeing the Darkstar take to the skies. In 2017, Lockheed Martin revealed that initial propulsion testing had been completed, and in recent years, mysterious sightings of unidentified aircraft have led many experts to believe that a prototype SR-72 is already undergoing flight trials. If that's true, we may be on the edge of a new era, one where hypersonic aircraft become the backbone of future reconnaissance and global strike capability. Flying at Mach 6 means facing temperatures above 3,000 degrees. Traditional aircraft materials would melt. The SR-72 uses advanced carbon-carbon composites and ceramic coatings developed through experimental programs like the X-43 and X-51. Thermal management, high-temperature airframe stability, real-time cooling systems. The result? An aircraft that doesn't just survive heat, it thrives in it. The SR-72 won't just watch, it will strike. Designed as a dual-role platform, it can carry hypersonic missiles that travel over Mach 5, hitting targets with pinpoint accuracy anywhere in the world in under an hour. Hypersonic glide vehicles, precision strike cruise missiles, strategic anti-satellite weaponry, future concepts. Narrator: it's the world's first spy plane with teeth. Maintaining control at Mach 6 is no small feat. At such extreme velocities, traditional aerodynamic surfaces lose effectiveness, and even the slightest deviation can result in catastrophic failure. The SR-72's design must rely on advanced flight control algorithms, AI-guided stabilization, and cutting-edge materials to maintain both stability and precision during hypersonic flight. Despite the technical hurdles, the U.S. Department of Defense continues to invest heavily in hypersonic development, recognizing that speed, range, and surprise are the future of strategic advantage. If all goes to plan, the SR-72 could see its first test flight in 2025, with full operational deployment by the early 2030s. The hypersonic arms race, a global contest for supremacy. But the United States isn't racing alone. Russia has already deployed its Kinzhal hypersonic missile, capable of speeds exceeding Mach 10. China has developed the DFZF hypersonic glide vehicle, tested at speeds over Mach 5, and is pushing to integrate it into both offensive and defensive platforms. These advancements have sparked a new global arms race, one where whoever masters hypersonic technology first may control the future of air power. In response, the U.S. is fast-tracking projects like the SR-72, along with a suite of hypersonic weapons, to ensure it remains at the forefront of this new strategic frontier. The SR-72 Darkstar is more than just a successor to the Blackbird. It's a glimpse into the future of aerospace. As hypersonic research accelerates, future aircraft may not stop at Mach 6. Engineers are already envisioning platforms capable of sustained Mach 7, Mach 10, or even orbital velocities, pushing the limits of physics and materials science. And the implications go beyond the battlefield. Civilian hypersonic travel, flights from New York to Tokyo in under 2 hours, may one day become a reality thanks to innovations pioneered by military programs like the SR-72. That wraps up our deep dive into the incredible SR-72 Darkstar and the future of hypersonic flight. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories on military aviation, aerospace innovation, and the next generation of defense technology. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep looking to the skies.